This is 2 layers of vinyl, zigzag. This is a 18 needle, 92 polyester thread, super heavy duty for upholstery. And the presser foot is walking foot. The machine is one of the world's best sewing machines all the time. Wow, impressive. It's super impressive how the machine works. On 92 thread and 18 needle. Now I'm gonna do a review inside the machine. As you can see, this is metal, it's a cam, it's a gear, all parts are metal. It's very hard materials, hard metal inside. That's why very strong. Hand crank, slide, needle bar, and this machine use one belt. Some machines use 2 belts, but this is just one belt, motor belt. This one, and the timing gears are steel made. They are behind the bobbin case. This system is great system because some machines you remove the bobbin case from this side. This is front. It's a great system. Very good parts. This is for feed dog. Take up, take down. This way works. So drop the feed dog and then slide and take up the feed dog. Yeah. So very nice machine. This is model number. If you like the video, please share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Have a good one.